Coco, are you a pig? Yes, you are. Oh, are you a pig? You are? Are you a big pig or a little? Coco? Oh, really big pig? Yeah, okay. Are you begging? Are you begging? Yeah. Are you begging? Yeah, you're not getting it. Are you disappointed? Oh, are you heartbroken? You can't have Zach's food? I know, it's terrible, isn't it? I know, it's terrible, huh? You really want Zach's food, don't you, huh? Yeah. I know, yeah, you can't have it. You have dog food. Yeah, I know. Are you sad? Are you heartbroken? Was it disappointment? Oh, yeah, I know. You're not going to get it. Oh, he moved his food, didn't he? Coco, are you watching Zach's food? I know. It's terrible, huh? Hey, are you begging? Are you begging? Do you need to lay down? No, you're going to hide from me now. Okay.